Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold. What am I expecting on gold? If you watched my previous analysis on gold, I said I was expecting gold to reject around this area right here because there was a break of structure as written here. There was a break of structure around this area right here, right? Then there is an imbalance here that needs to be filled, which is around this area right here. So I said I think gold was around this area right here. So I said gold will be pushing to the upside a little bit, and my target was around this area right here, 1922, because of an imbalance that needs to be filled. So I said there's a possibility for gold to continue to push to the upside, to fill in this imbalance right here and continue to zoom to the downside. But as you can see that it went way beyond that. It's actually came to around this level right there, around 1913. That is why they say you don't predict the market, you react to the market. So but we see that it just went up to that level right there before it's now continued to push to the downside as predicted, because my bias was on sell, and I said my target was negative 61.8% fib level around that area. So right now I'm just going to delete this previous analysis right here. Yeah, so let's go to a smaller time frame just to see. I'm still predicting it to at least continue to push to the downside right here, but currently gold is in a choppy move right now, right? I'm still thinking we're gonna go to the downside, but it's not giving us something solid as of right now. I can draw a trend line right here just to show a breakout structure around this area right here. So I can so what am I expecting based on that, right? Like I said, I'm still expecting gold to push to the downside, but because of how it looks, it doesn't look clean at all. So what am I expecting right now, right? I think we might push up a little bit, because if you see right here, this breakout structure with this trend line right here, so we might push up a little bit. Yeah, I see that. I think we might come here a little bit to touch this trend line to fill in this imbalance right here, touch trend line, before we now continue to go to the downside. I see that happening. I can draw a very fib around this area right here just to see what I'm looking at. I can see short fib right here from point A to point B around this area. So based on this right here, we might think push up a little bit to at least my 61.8% fib level around that area. Then before we continue to push to the downside, my first target and my second target, which is my overall target. So my first target will be this right here, and my second target, which is the overall target, will be around this here right here. So that's what I'm expecting. We might push a little bit to my deeper levels, so my 88.6% and 78.6% fib level and my deep fib level, right? We might push there a little bit, but based on market structure, I think we will just get to 61.8% fib level before we now push to the downside. But we have to look for more confluences before we see that it's rejecting off of that level, because like I said, it might push up a little bit more before we now continue to push to the downside. So that is my thoughts on gold, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.